Okay, so today we are come up with a very interesting thing. Get 50% off on AI practitioner. So very first thing is AIFC01 50% discount. Okay, and this discount is directly from the AWS official Pearson BUE, from where we are booking the exam for the test center and as well as for the online one. So no worries. But the another thing which is more beneficial for you is free cloud practitioner exam. Even if you are receiving, like same time you are receiving 50% discount for the AI practitioner, at the same time again, right? At the same time you are getting free cloud practitioner exam. So it's a very interesting and good point for you. Why? Because cloud practitioner holding a very good value in the market, like when it's come to the AWS, completely AWS. But if you are preparing for the AIF, obviously you are focusing on the AI, which is on the boom at this moment. Okay, so you are getting the things in your both hand. Okay, so let's start how we can move forward with it. So very first thing, you need to remember two dates. Very first is 30th September and then 30th November. What is this? The very first thing is 30th September. The code which we are going to reveal today is valid till 30th September. Okay, it means not that you need to book for on the September or August like that. Today onward you need to book your exam, because like the code is not same all the time, it's getting changes, and obviously it's getting changed, and for everyone it's not same for everyone, they are changing the code also. Okay, so do it and schedule your exam today. Even if you want to book your exam date for next 1 month or after 15 days, should be fine, but book your exam the day itself when I'm sharing this code and the link. Okay, and whenever you are watching the video before 30th September. Okay, once you will certified before 30th September, once you will certified, you have the timeline till 30th November to book your cloud practitioner exam on free of cost. Okay, one exam unlock the second. Once you get the 50% discount today after the code which I'm going to share with you, once you will schedule that, you will pass the exam. Okay, you need to pass the exam. Okay, once you pass the exam, you can attend the second exam, which is cloud practitioner 100% free before 30th November. Okay, anyone, fresher student, non-tech, technical students, cloud entrants, or professionals also, anyone can use this code. It's not require any background, coding background or like that. If you are from non-tech also, you can move forward toward the cloud, it should be fine. Okay, and obviously AI is the new workplace language. AI, ML, Gen AI, AWS, for anything whatever you are preparing in terms of AI, ML, Gen AI, then this AIFC01 is very important for you, and the cloud practitioner also important for you if you are mainly focusing on the AWS for the beginning purpose. It's like AWS having the series, foundation series, and then associate, professional, and specialization. These certification is for the foundation one, so remember that both certification on the foundation, two certification AWS are providing, and you are getting benefit on both. One is free, one is fun, and the very first is 50% discount. Okay, cloud is the fundamental for everything on the AI also, so that's why the practitioner exam is also important. Okay, should be fine. The promo code we are going to reveal now, so get the promo code, open the link in the description. I'm just going to attach the link in the description, or you can comment also in the chat box if you're facing any issue, or you want the code, whatever. Okay, so let's go with the link. So this is the link, so let me open it. Okay, so this is the official documentation websites from the Pearson BUE. It's not like any fake or fake promise or something. It's official from the Pearson BUE. When you're coming to book your exam like this, you are on the same page where you are Pearson BUE. Okay, so this is what this is, authenticate by the AWS itself, Pearson BUE. Okay, now let's go ahead and read the documentation properly. You will get a better idea from here. And now let's click on the get prompt code, promo code. Let me copy this, and for showing you for this moment, let me do it by the final website when I'm scheduling the exam. If you want me to explain the things how to schedule the exam and whatever regarding the process and skill builder, obviously skill builder is the behind this schedule. If you want that, just let me know by the chat box, like obviously comment box, you have that, and just let me know. I will show you how to do that. But for now, I just copy the code, 50% discount and the free one. So the thing, so what we need to do very first, we need to go to the certification account, obviously by the skill builder, and then schedule the Pearson BUE exam, and then payment by applying the code AIF to cloud for this moment. Okay, and then 50% code is gonna to apply. Let me check that. So once I copy the code, I'm pasting here at the final website where I need to pay $118. Let me apply this. Once I am applying now, it's just like $59, right? So it's working, and obviously it will work for you. The code is same for now, but there are chances to be changed in a few days. Okay, so that's the code. And now once you receive the code, just write down the code received word in the comment or whatever, so that I am able to know you got the code and the code is working fine for you. If you're finding any issue, anything, just let me know by the comment. Okay, so do subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and whoever is preparing for the certification. Okay, so that's it. Cloud with AJ, your one-stop destination for cloud and AI. Okay, bye bye, see you, take care, let's meet in the next video.